first question is, does dry ice melt the way regular ice does? The materials are ice, dry ice, and white paper towels. The procedure is to place a piece of dry ice and a piece of regular ice on a white piece of paper towel, and we're going to observe what's going to happen while they melt. As you can see, the regular ice melts into the liquid state and the dry ice sublimates. You can see the stain of water around the regular ice, which means it's melting, and dry ice, it's sublimating, so there's no water around it.
The question for the second lab is, what happens if you dump a piece of dry ice into dish detergent mixed with a little bit of water?
So now we will put the dry ice in the water and let's see what happens. Calm yourself down. Please don't touch me. Please don't touch me. Hey, do we have to explain the expected results to the video or not? But then we didn't do that in the first one. Oh, okay, I'll just do it. The bubbles are forming because the water is much warmer than the dry ice. Energy is transferred from the water to the dry ice, causing it to change from a solid to a gas and bubble through the water. So when the dish detergent is added, the amount of bubbles will form. So it's forming. It's really cool. Yay! Yeah!
And that's probably why she's the smartest one in her group.
And that's probably why I'm reading this paper.
Never mind.
Okay. That's why I'm putting this out. Is that all?
The next question is, how can we make dry ice sublimate faster? What we're gonna do is we're gonna have pieces of dry ice and we're gonna dump it in cups of cold water and hot water. The hot water is just about 50 degrees Celsius. As you can see, we just put a piece of dry ice in cold water and a piece of dry ice in the hot water. And you can obviously tell the difference that the hot water makes the dry ice sublimate a lot more better than cold water. Well, a lot more faster at least. Why is that? Because the hot water is a lot more warmer than the dry ice's regular temperature, causing it to sublimate a lot more. And here the cold water is cold, so it's not as warm as the hot water, causing it to sublimate a little less. Why is that? As you can see in our previous projects or our previous video, we can see that if you put dry ice on a piece of paper in room temperature, it's not as warm as warm water, so it doesn't sublimate as much. But warm water is very warm, so making it sublimate a lot more faster. Here, guys, is another bonus clip from the dry ice. Here's another bonus clip, and let's see Vona poke this.
See, that's what I want to do.
That's it for the bonus clip. Thanks.